look to select products that meet the client's needs, that are going to be the most effective and efficient for what they're looking for. We put together an outstanding team that we've been able to retain, from product experts to our installation team to our project managers. We always make certain that we do review our safety protocols in advance, and of course now that includes the COVID-19 protocol and policy that we have in place. We have an introductory kickoff call within 48 hours of receiving the contract. That kickoff call will set the expectation for the client of when we will begin, how the process will go throughout the installation. We'll also ask the client information regarding pertinent things such as the schedule, where to place storage containers if needed, dumpsters, the hours, the personal contact for the customer whom we'll be working with throughout the installation. The work that we're doing is benefiting the environment. It also helps our clients with cost savings, reduction in maintenance costs. I'd say one of the key elements is our communication with the client. We make certain that the client is skeptical throughout the process. That makes sure that we are able to capture and identify anything very early on that could either delay, hinder, or in some way impede our ability to deliver an outstanding experience for our client. So the first thing we did was engage a third-party vendor. They assisted us in developing a policy that we could use for both our team and also for installation to protect our customers as well. First step was for the office staff, those team members all started working remotely. With regard to our on-staff installation, we have a very stringent protocol that includes everything from touchless thermometers, taking temperatures, wearing face masks, gloves, the way that we use bacterial and antibacterial solutions to clean and make certain our team members are washing their hands regularly. Also ensuring that we do social distancing to the best degree with our teammates and also from our customers. This is allowing us then to continue to install jobs during this time and be able to do it effectively and efficiently, while at the same time protecting our team members, our customers, and their employees as well.
Most important information I want to convey to a customer when designing a lighting system for their space is that they're going to receive the perfect lighting to increase safety, security, and productivity in their workplace. This information helps the customer in their decision-making process because they know what to expect out of the end result. There's no nervousness about if they're going to have enough light, the lights are in the right place. Everything is designed exactly as it should be to deliver the best possible system to the customer. So to start, we're going to build the building layout, which is to make sure everything is to scale, everything is the right shape, the right size, and reflectance values on all the surfaces within the building. Once the building is laid out appropriately and everything is correct, we'll start to design the lighting for it. So we'll have an initial design where we put in the fixtures kind of based on feel where we think they should be and take any special requests or special areas into account. And then we'll calculate everything to make sure that light levels are correct, and anywhere where we need to increase or decrease light, we'll go and make those changes and recalculate. Once the layout's all done and we've double checked all the lighting levels are where they should be, we'll do a final calculation and then a 3D rendering for the customer to see so they can look at their space as it will be once the layout is complete. When we're designing a new solar system for a customer, we want to make sure that we develop the most efficient and effective system with minimal shading, minimal obstruction to the panels, maximum sunlight to get them the most effective system possible. Our design is going to be focused. It's going to meet whatever space requirements the customer has, be it on a roof, on a canopy, on the ground, and it's going to take care of their electricity requirements. First, we're going to define the area where the solar array is going to go. And we're going to take care of any obstructions on the roof that the panels can't cover. Once the array is in place and all the obstructions are accounted for, we'll verify that the output of the system matches the customer's needs. None of the panels are unnecessarily shaded or obscured by anything other than direct sunlight, and then the system is ready for the customer.
Our national sales team has remained seamless during COVID-19. We've taken advantage of some of the tools to stay in touch, such as Zoom, conference calling, daily with our team, our management, but more importantly, staying in touch with our customers. Contract transparency and communication is essential to our success. Although none of our customers are cookie cutters, we established the trust from the start by laying out a foundation and conducting an on-site audit of the facilities that would lead to a design to meet customers' ROI expectations. I'm proud to be with a company that cares about long-term products. We pride ourselves in delivering quality products and how impactful it is into the environment and one's health.
Our experience here at EnergyWare has taught us that one of the things that customers value the most is good communication and information on our current installation status. This portal allows a customer to access real-time information on the current installation on their premises at any given time. It even allows them to see who is on their premises, who are the installers and the EnergyWare team, and allows them to also see real-time shading of each building that we are installing. The marketing team here at EnergyWare fully understands that customers are being overwhelmed with information, particularly in these times of COVID-19. So we've decided to make a conscientious effort to simplify our information, to take an educational stance so that we can help these companies really think about the future and help them understand how they can become more resilient if this circumstance were to ever surface again.